Car washing foam cannons are a popular tool for those who want to achieve a professional-looking car wash at home. There are many products available to choose car washing foam cannons, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best car washing foam cannons from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Swiftjet Car Wash Foam Gun Plus Microfiber Wash Mitt. Swiftjet Car Wash Foam Gun Plus Microfiber Wash Mitt is an all-in-one car wash kit that saves time and money from trips to a commercial car wash. It features 6 foam spray settings and a rinse spray, adjustable soap foam concentration, and can be used on all vehicles, boats, and campers. Simply connect to any garden hose and adjust the water pressure and foam ratio settings depending on your needs. The ergonomic handle and anti-skid body allows for a comfortable cleaning experience. Number 2. Armor All 2-in-1 Foam Cannon Kit. The Armor All 2-in-1 Foam Cannon Car Cleaning Kit includes a foam cannon, garden hose adapter, and pressure washer adapter to clean your car's exterior surfaces. You can connect this foam cannon with a pressure washer or a garden hose to produce high foaming results and remove dirt and grime from your vehicle. Its ergonomic wash gun adapter, non-slip grip, wide non-tip bottle, and marked lines on the reservoir make it easy to use. It works with both gas and electric pressure washers from 500 to 3,500 psi. Number 3. ONTOL Car Wash Cannon Foam Blaster Nozzle Gun for Car. The ONTOL Car Wash Cannon is a foam blasting car washing system that replaces manual cleaning with its 5 spray settings that will give your car a professional quality cleaning. This easy-to-use cleaner is attached to your garden hose and infuses massive amounts of air into the soap and water to create a thick foam that lifts dirt and dust from the surface and rinses it away without leaving behind any residue or film. Use it on your car, truck, motorcycle, boat, RV, ATV, and more. Number 4. Foam King Foam Cannon for Pressure Washer. The Clean Car Foam Cannon is an essential tool for car washing. Its advanced foaming technology creates rich and thick foam that can easily power through dirt and grime without causing any scratches or swirls. The extra-wide bottleneck makes it easy to fill in soap and water, and the thread-lock design creates an airtight connection, ensuring a perfect seal for thick suds and powerful foaming action. The foam cannon can work with any pressure washer, and it has an adjustable air intake and vertical spray pattern, which can be easily adjusted to cover large areas with thick foam or narrow foam streams for hard-to-reach areas. The Clean Car Foam Cannon is a must-have for any car detailing enthusiast. Number 5. Viking Professional Foam Cannon for Car. The Viking Foam Cannon is designed to elevate your car washing experience. With its 1-liter canister and 1.1 mm orifice, you can create a thick, cleansing foam that clings to your vehicle, ensuring a thorough clean. It's essential to use this cannon with a pressure washer, as it combines high-pressure water with air and soap for optimal foaming. The adjustable spray pattern allows you to customize the coverage, making it easy to switch between a light mist and a heavy foam. Plus, the 1/4-inch quick connect plug ensures compatibility with most pressure washers, providing convenience and versatility for your car detailing needs.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.